السابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان.
For indeed, lying leads to fujur and evil leads to the hellfire. Don't lie even as a joke, because the Prophet ﷺ said in an authentic hadith, woe to the one who speaks to make the people laugh. He lies when he speaks just to make people laugh. Wailun lahu, woe be to him, woe be to him. And the scholars, they say that wail in the hadith is either destruction or a valley in Jahannam. Either way, adhab and punishment and humiliation and disgrace and destruction. So beware, my brothers and sisters, of lying. Kadhib. Beware, my brothers and sisters, of being foul-mouthed, of swearing and reviling and cursing others. And nowadays we see that it rolls off of the tongue of people. In their normal conversations, they swear hundreds of times, and they don't even realize. When they speak with their parents, their brothers, their friends, no filter. Shatam ba'da shatam, curses after curses. But what did the Prophet ﷺ say? That the believer is not one who reviles, and is not one who swears, and is not a person of evil, and is not one who is foul in his speech nor in his actions. Beware, my brothers and sisters, of those kalimat that split communities, that leads to enmity and hatred. Especially that kalam which is revilement of the Muslim rulers, mentioning their shortcomings and their sins openly in front of others, spreading false rumors about the Muslim rulers. This is not from the manhaj of the Salaf. This is not from the way of Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah. This opposes what the Prophet ﷺ came with. And this leads to fasad and corruption. And this is from the ways of the Khawārij, that evil group and sect who at their hands Uthman and Ali radiallahu anhuma were killed. This is from their way. But what were the Sahaba radiallahu anhum upon? Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu, he said, our elders from the companions of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam commanded us to not curse and revile our rulers, and to not deceive them, no ghish, and to not disobey them. وَأَن نَتَّقِيَ اللَّهِ, and that we should fear Allah concerning their rights upon us, وَنَصْبِرْ, and that we have patience upon the harms that we see and what we face. فَإِنَّ الْأَمْرَ قَرِيبٌ, for indeed the affair is near.